What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. I think today's video is gonna be like a two-part. I'm not gonna have everything from just one day. I'm probably gonna crunch 2 days into one. But today, you can probably tell from the title of today's video, I finally got the call for a replacement motor for the 350Z, and I really do not want to waste time. So we're gonna go right now. We're heading to the bank before I head to work, and then we're gonna stop by Nestor's shop, purchase the new motor, because luckily somebody in his warehouse had an extra motor, and which is perfect because of the fact that the 350Z has a 71.5-ish thousand miles, and the replacement motor, it has 72,000 miles. But we get into all of that after. If you guys haven't done so already, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. Again, it's your boy Lance. I'm from Hawaii, create automotive content. But let's go get to the bank, grab the money that we need, and then get to Nestor's, and then let's go take a look at the new motor. Also, I've been driving the GTR a lot more often lately. I think it's a good and a bad thing, because for one, good thing is that this car just needs to get out a lot more. But the bad thing is gas is over $6. And I'm not too happy about that though. Now, I don't know how accurate it is, but let's just get real-time MPG. Whoa. Real-time MPGs for the GTR is 14 miles to the gallon. I don't know how for sure that is. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna reset it, and then we're gonna calculate about how much of an MPG the car is gonna have. But dang, 14 miles to the gallon. Woo. Well, got the money secured. I'm just gonna put this out there right now, and I'm not doing this because I'm being paid to promote or whatever, but Nestor has literally saved my butt many times. Whether it was the GTR, whether it was the 350Z. For those of you guys that's from Hawaii, if you guys want work on you guys VQs, GTRs, honestly, he'll do anything. But he's the man. Now let's go to his shop. Thank God Nestor's shop is literally down the road from my bank. But here's the main thing that we need to figure out is there parking for us? There it is. I thought you said it was LS? Nah.
LS engine?
Nah.
You know you like LS.
No, I don't like LS. Damn. That's the one. Does it have the air box? The stock intake? I mean, I'm pretty sure the one that we have can hook up, but still. Low mileage too, yeah, this one. Perfect.
AC.
What about?
AC compressor. You get AC?
Comes with it? Yeah, AC still works. Honestly guys, thank God for Nestor. And shout out to the guys next door to him that had this spare motor, because I really didn't want to pay shipping for another motor, but we got super lucky, and I'm super stoked to get this engine in. I don't know what we're gonna do with that trans though. Alright guys, it's already the next day. We have some work to do, but the first thing that I forgot to do was to check if I had all my detailing supplies. Now, I ran out of some stuff because I was washing the GTR, and unfortunately it was raining yesterday, so forever it's gonna be a rain magnet. But today we're gonna go and try and put in some work with the 350Z. Got the iced coffee ready, breakfast is leftover waffles, and then we gotta go pick up some detailing supplies. There's some stuff we gotta do. We gotta get rid of the leftover residue from the wrap that was sitting on for I don't know how long. We're gonna get a nice detail on the car, slowly prep it to get it ready for wrap. I really don't want to make the person that's wrapping the car do all of that work, so we're gonna go and probably melt in this hot summer heat in Hawaii, but we're still gonna have fun. So let's go get some detailing supplies. Yeah, would you look at that wide body Hellcat? I'm literally trying to pace this thing, but this guy's going so fast. Man, I'm not a fan of Hellcats, but something with a wide body, I'll give that bias to it. And we're back. Let's get started on the Z, guys, but let's first do a quick walk around Nismo Type 2 front bumper with the Weds Maverick wheels. They've seen better days, I know, let it be. What else? A bunch of residue and dirt still stuck on the top. What else? What else? We got aftermarket front bumper. Also got the Motordyne exhaust as well. What else? Sitting on drop springs for now. We definitely need bags for this car because this poking out right here, yeah, that's gonna look super sick once it's on the ground. Unless anybody got aftermarket coilovers that they want to lend to me or sell me really cheap, let me know. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna wash and then clay bar and then wash it again. But since everybody knows how to wash the car, well, I hope they know how to wash the car, we're gonna skip it to when we do clay barring, because that's where we're really gonna tell how dirty this car is. All right guys, we're about 20 minutes into clay barring, but let's just go into the shade real quick. I literally just finished doing the hood, but look at how dirty that clay bar is. And I don't know if you guys can tell, but the pigment of my hand is a little bit more pink because of the spray lube, but still, look at that. Oh my goodness, that thing is so dirty. Like, and just like that guys, she is done. Now this thing looks really good. Majority of the residue from the wrap came off. Now this looks super freaking nice. Like, look at that. Now we got a nice shine with the wheels. Now that we can see it in this satin black, man, this thing looks so good. I hope the camera's doing some justice for this thing, but oh my god, do we really want to wrap the car now? Also, I forgot to update you guys, the body lines are now all straight. I had somebody come in, shout out to Pro Dent Hawaii. They went ahead and they just popped out all the dents. So we had majority of the dents was on both doors, so you can see like the body line now, it's all straight. It was like really kinked in a lot of areas. I think there was like one over here and then there was one lower down over there, but that was taken care of. There wasn't any on the front quarters or the rear, it was just the doors. Front bumper, it was all good, and then on the door over here as well, went ahead and had some creases over here, but now it's all taken care of. But man guys, do we really want to wrap the car? I'm starting to really like this black now that like we kind of did some good detailing to it. I'm not a professional by any means, but just having it a little bit more detailed than usual, this black looks so sick guys. So now we have a detailed Z, we have a rattling bell housing of a GTR, but we also have a wrap coming soon for this car, as well as a new engine coming in for the 350Z. I'm really excited for what's to come guys. Like, I've been waiting so many weeks, probably like a couple months now, but now that we have the new engine going into the 350Z, now we can finally take this car out. But we just got to be a little bit more patient until Nestor's ready to take this car in. But for now, we're gonna have fun with the GTR while we can, because once when this is up and running guys, this is the car that we're gonna be taking out and about for majority of the videos. And then we're not retiring the GTR, but we're just gonna give it a little break for now. And because you guys already know, I really wanted a 350Z before I even bought the 370Z Nismo. So now that we have the 350Z, now I'm really excited to get this car out on the road. Now before we get out of here, I just wanted to give a huge shout out to those that ordered more Definitive merch. If you guys don't know already, Definitive is just another side brand that I'm working on, which is basically an extension of the channel. But shout out to those of you guys that ordered. I just went ahead and put these together because I'm gonna have to drop these off later on today. But just take a look at that, man. We got the off-white shirt, someone ordered a red, and the brown hoodie. Oh my gosh, this is like the one of like my most favorite ones that I ordered and made for you guys. Even got the custom tagging. Look at that. Product of Hawaii, definitive.com. And I'm not cutting it any short guys. Like, I'm not using no cheap brand product of cloth. Like this, all of these cotton shirts, like they're really good quality, but you guys are gonna have to see it for yourself. So follow Definitive on Instagram. I'm the one that orders everything, I make everything, package everything. I'm the one responding to you guys, so just know that, you know, if you're feeling reluctant about it, even though the website's not live yet and you guys want to order early, I will give you guys the whole lowdown. But just letting you guys know, because of the fact that I did not anticipate this at all, some sizes are going a lot faster than the others. So if you're a size large, I'm letting you know now, if you guys want to pick up some of the new stuff that I'm dropping, it's very imperative that you guys order early before the website actually goes live. And also, well, if you guys DM Instagram, I'll give you guys the whole lowdown. But we got a lot of stuff taken care of in this video. New motor for the 350Z is secured. Now we're just waiting on Nestor to bring the car into the shop. We also got pretty much the whole Z detailed as well. It looks really good. Like it to the point where like I don't even wanna like wrap it good, but we gotta commit. And now that we have the engine already secured, now it's just one step closer to figuring out a timetable to where we're gonna be able to put the Z into the shop and then get the engine swap done and then take it to wrap, because I just don't feel right wrapping the car first and then putting it into the shop and then maybe, you know, a lot of moving parts. Like that's just, I won't have peace of mind that way. So we're gonna do engine swap and then wrap and then have fun with the Z, and then whatever shenanigans, we have more shenanigans also. So I guess that'll end today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you guys could please do me a favor, smash the like button as well. Drop a comment down below. Again, any engagement with the video, whether it's dropping likes, dropping comments, like it'll really help push the videos out and really push this channel out into the YouTube algorithm. That way we can showcase all of our videos to all around the world. But yeah, it really helps. It really helps. And I guess with that being said, today's video is over. Remember, you guys are all called to be great in your own way, and most importantly, stay driven.